I'm ready whenever you guys are.
I'm here.
I'm just saying, just like.
Get the game, pussy.
Alright.
Now.
Create the game. Ooh.
So,
No
we're gonna play
way.
Risk of Rain because Risk of Rain was like Flint's best video, and I don't want to do this for mine. I hope Xenoverse does well for me. This was fun last time. I got the cowboy guy.
Yeah,
too.
the
I want to try out.
Yo, well, I only have like the main two and the railgunner, so.
Yeah.
I played Railgunner last episode. That was the only one I've ever tried.
Railgunner's fun.
I'm not reading the skills.
I'm gonna be lean man this time.
I took the walk to Poland.
Editor Flint auto-tuned me there.
Okay. Alright, who you being, Yago?
I guess I'm Huntress now.
Epic.
Alright, cool. Oh yeah, Huntress I unlocked last time too.
Yeah.
So this is just... So we've done a lot of, Flint was trying to get me Cult of the Lamb. I'm not super invested in Cult of the Lamb because I already have a roguelike I want to learn more about, which is this one. As is. So like...
Yeah.
Yeah.
I completely forgot how to play this game. This is amazing.
Me too. And I didn't play it.
Auto aim, hell yeah!
I love auto aim. Is he muted?
Since stop being muted.
What? I'm texting my grandma. Sorry.
Oh.
Since stop texting grandma while we're playing the Risk of Rain of the second one.
Fuck you! You're not my grandma. You don't have authority over me.
Your grandma does?
Yeah, my grandma's awesome.
I love my
Fair
grandma.
I love my grandma. He's asking about my parrot. Sorry, I was paying attention. What? I was just walking in a direction for a little bit.
We're doing the teleporter.
Stone Titan.
Kill the Titan. Ah, I got
Oh, I
frozen.
got frozen. I guess
Oh boy,
I did.
another hunter's harpoon.
Yay, more
Yay.
harpoon. Yay.
Woo!
I love harpoon.
Harpoons! Who doesn't love harpoons?
Harpoons are pretty good.
I have no clue what they do, but I'll take it. An item is an item. I'll take glass body to even do even more damage. Void said flame. Yo.
He loves Void Sent Flame.
No, really? I got an advancement. Complete a teleporter event.
No way.
Yo.
So yeah, from what all you've been saying, it sounds like you watch a lot of Risk of Rain.
I watched like this 2.5 videos, and then they would constantly appear on my feed.
That's awesome.
I quite literally only watched the one that I was starred in with Flint, and that was it.
That's awesome.
I don't watch a lot of YouTube, man. I'm sorry.
Hey, that's me, Gary.
But why is all my money gone?
Kill.
Yeah, you go and lose all your money when you do the teleporter. You gotta get more.
Oh, I have like $100 left.
Game is 1984.
Literally 1984.
So true. Ooh,
My healing drone came with me though. Like it's still alive and kicking well.
that is so good. Oh my god.
The Void Cradle has given me the crusty key.
Ooh, that's pretty good.
The key is crusty.
Like the crabs.
No,
Like the crab. Yes, Mr. Crab.
Money, 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 money. Oh, Mr. Crab.
just sound like Mr. Krabs.
I can't tell if that's a
crack.
enemy or a... That's not fair.
A dubious little creature getting up to mischief. This is no good.
Not fair, yay. Oh god, the
Oh, yeah.
Shrine of the Mountain.
Where?
Fight me, nerds.
Where?
I have like
I'm like
several
the anti-Mr.
$1,000.
Krabs. Trying to spend my money.
The anti-Mr. Krabs. Squidward.
Squidward. Mr. Squidward.
Oh, you started like that?
Mr. Squongward. Where's the
Mr.
Titan?
Squong.
116.
Hell yeah, backup magazine for the win! I can lost like 3 of my right clicks for just cause why not?
Sounds like Yaga's just like on crack.
I am on crack.
Crack. Hey Yaga, what are you doing? Crack.
Crack.
Oh, okay. Hey, wait a minute.
Hey Yaga.
What you want?
They put the
That's a
yellow
jellyfish.
Mantarino
Nerd that is not on crack.
Hey, buddy, you want a wiener in your mouth? Want a wiener, want a wiener, want a wiener in your mouth? Dun, 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 dun. What am I gonna do with this $2,000 in mine?
It turns into XP.
Okay.
Yeah. I can't tell if you said yay or K.
Yes.
Good.
Oh hey, we're in the
Hey,
stank
you want a wiener
pits.
in your mouth? We turned into fucking EXP and I still don't even get a full level?
We're in the
No,
stank.
it's barely 2,000.
Burn.
Bong.
Stank.
Bon.
Ho ho ho.
Stank.
Yes.
No.
Watch yourself. Okay.
Fail the Shrine of Chance
Where's your
3
two?
times in a row. Great,
Where's
thank
your
you.
2 healing drones? Aw.
I was supposed to go and get an incinerator drone, but I don't know where he's at.
Dead. Dead as hell.
That's why your drone dead. Dead as hell.
That's why your drone dead. Your drone dead as hell, bro. Remote caffeinator or request a healing soda machine.
What? I didn't mean to buy that.
He can order a soda.
Oh, barista.
Bring me my
One
soda.
soda. Bring me my Mr. Pepper.
Bring me
This is
that
medical
ice.
license.
Oh, I got
Shrine?
bungus. Okay. I'm the
You
one guy I
stole my
don't
shrine?
need it with. What do you mean I stole your shrine?
Bro, I paid twice at that shrine.
That don't matter.
Sad.
Badge.
Bro, I failed 3 times in a row at that shrine. You mean it don't matter?
It don't matter.
I got a foreign fruit. Oh wait, hold
Take
on.
it.
So heal on use.
Oh, yellow. Oh, there I go. What? My monitor, please. Come on.
Monitor, please.
Why are you all the way over there, Synth?
3D printer.
Alright, I'm going.
Let's go, go,
Another
go, go.
blood shrine, if you will.
I'm going fast, and I need more energy drink.
Synth is down to like
I'm
5%
so low.
health.
I was
doing
down to 2 health. I kept offering to the blood shrine because you said we were leaving.
Take all of my blood. Wait,
The teleporter, no.
where's all the
Oh
enemies?
boy. Yeehaw. Oh.
Oh, there's an enemy.
Okay, that was not cool.
Not cool, campers. No using
Not
slurs
cool.
at Teleporm Island.
Not cool.
Not cool.
This guy.
Not cool, Squidward.
Don't say that again. That's so good.
I activated Korea.
Epic.
I ain't helping out with that.
Emperor Lord.
Have fun!
He doesn't like helping.
Nope.
Nerd. Get back over here,
Money.
you piece of shit.
Nah.
We got him, finally.
Nah, you guys can have an O on it.
Yaga, you can take
Wait.
the rest.
There's 3 of them! I have 5 of them currently. They will be impossible to move. They will not move afterwards. Monkeys. Look at those them monkeys.
I don't know what
Dude,
you guys
oh
had
my
in
word,
monkey.
boy.
It makes it so much funnier. Alright,
Monkey.
teleporter's done, you guys can do that.
See you, nerds.
Epic.
I activated the Shrine of Combat the second you hit the teleporter too.
Hoggers.
Hi guys.
Hogger.
You've been banned.
You've been banned
The
from
Synthwave
this
Crusader
mouth for
Discord.
inappropriate behavior.
You've been banned from the Synthwave Crusader Discord for being a good person.
What?
Get out.
1984. So isn't there where isn't
There's
this
an
where you get
SCP looking
the
ass up here. What's with the cum demon?
it's a cum demon, obviously.
Yeah,
But
Oh
you
shit, why
just-
didn't I think of that?
you just said what he was, idiot.
My bad.
Back
I
up,
don't know, I
magazine.
gave up. I gave up something very valuable for that. Oh well.
I mean, you traded a legendary for a legendary.
So I think it was 2 drones.
A foreskin for a foreskin. Baltimore be like?
Why do you have so many Hopu feathers? Huh?
Cause I got them,
Do
obviously.
you skin one of their birds? I think I will be removing these.
He doesn't skip
Bird? More like
he just gets like 70.
food. Oh hell yeah, more fucking food.
More like new rug.
A rug of feathers.
Shitty concept. Hey, what's with the Fortnite storm thing? Like, if you walk inside of it, you get hurt. What is that?
Oh yeah, we gotta go kill the purple guy. This guy.
Purple guy. Snap.
Purple guy?
Yeah, we gotta kill the purple guy. Oh god.
What?
Who joined?
He's here.
Goop.
I would.
We are recording.
Damn.
Oh hell yeah, more critical strike chance. More feathers!
More feathers!
Why would you destroy ears like that, Goobs? Why?
I think my microphone's broken.
No way.
No shit.
Damn.
Yay, 25 max health! Wow! Thanks, Bison Steak. I could've got something like critical hit, but no, you gave me more max health that I don't need.
Stick is like one of the worst.
Sure.
Probably because I'm using
Batman.
Bluetooth headphones.
That's probably one of my favorite gifts, honestly.
Oh, I
Isn't there like a shop or something in this game?
yeah, there is, but if we go to it this time, it'll take us back to the start of the game. So I am not making that mistake again.
That was funny.
It was funny. Did I just hear a laugh track?
Just me.
That's amazing.
How do we continue? Like this? Like? Oh shit, that's the blue portal.
Did you hit the blue portal or did you hit the teleporter?
I don't know.
You better
Trolled.
have hit the teleporter.
I was planning on doing
Okay,
the blue portal last second.
He hit the
They added
teleporter.
Amnesia to the Xbox Game Pass.
Shut the
Xbox
fuck.
Game! Xbox Game Pass! Xbox
Your
Live!
mic is nuked.
What's the consequences for dying?
Bad. No vid. No views.
You could only get
Bitches.
revived after the final boss is defeated, so do not die.
It'd be really funny if I jumped off right now.
I mean, you'll respawn just like with a bit less health, but I mean, like if you
Risk
actually
of
die,
Rain is
then
not on Game Pass.
Nerd.
loves.
Everybody loves greed mode. You guys want to get those characters that are locked behind it? Really? You should go fight Ultra Greed, guys.
Green's not even that bad.
Did you guys see who I wanted to attack?
No.
It says I pinged myself.
Yo, great. Kill yourself.
Go on this thing.
I'm still going up. Oh, here we are.
Oh, wait,
There's
wait.
an Ultim up here.
Yeah, don't go in there yet. I'm still coming up.
Oh, shit. Should have told me that.
You
Oh, well.
fool. You dumbass.
Just
You have
stay
food,
right there.
food.
Alright. Yago. Let's go.
Wait, Flint.
Yeah.
Gotta fight Flint first. Let's go! Everyone jump! Everyone get him! I have 4 feathers, you won't catch me!
You won't catch me.
One of my funny abilities. This is the final boss?
Yeah.
Yes! King of
Ah.
nothing.
He sure looks like that. That's a JoJo stand.
I mean, technically, yes, it could be.
No, there's actually one called King thing.
Destroy his ability to
It's a
come!
Metallica song.
No. Wait.
My Venus!
Yo, crit heal!
He can't hit me, I'm flying.
He can hit me, I only have a card, that didn't work. What do you mean,
Oh,
my
so if he does hit me, I just need to eat a little bit of this apple and I'm good. one of the chests dropped me an enchanted golden apple. Oh my god, he hits for a little bit of damage.
Just a little bit.
Oh, he is the final
He
boss.
hit me for he hit me for 1,020 damage.
Yeah, you
Bro,
think?
you're just weak.
He did a little much. King of nothing, king of gains.
Yoink.
Gotta
Thanks
get
for
that
drop.
games king.
You dropped this
Well, there
king
you go,
and it's not a dumbbell.
Easy. Now second phase time.
Yay.
There's more.
Lunar
Lunar
Chimera.
Ouch!
Take
It
the
hurts.
flame.
Vegeta, it burns my pit.
Vegeta! Trunks is picking on me again! Don't make me come down there and be a parent. First time for everything. Oh, God, nerves,
He
aren't
smashed
you?
my skull in.
Good job.
Good thing I have 4 feathers to double jump all the way.
Okay, this means I got plenty of time to look at Twitter.
Imagine
Stop
being so
looking at
addicted
Twitter
to
and
Twitter
kill
when you're trying to
yourself. Come on.
record, you just go and do that.
Huh?
Huh?
Oh, delicate
Someone made
water.
a really dramatic line, spanking line from SpongeBob.
Damn it, there goes my delicate watch. Oh, that is so sad.
Imagine getting hit. Stupid.
Just shut the fuck up and kill him. Come on,
I'm
one
doing
shot.
it.
Come on.
Okay.
Do it, no walls.
Just let me get 9,999 delicate watches.
I mean, you should. I mean, if you get that, no. Give me that refreshing beverage.
A nice refreshing beverage.
He launched me so far into the air.
Why did I
Oh,
get
there I go.
recommended a miraculous Xbox game?
Damn.
How
There I
did you
go.
die?
I was very, very high up in the air and I couldn't see what the fuck he was doing. So there goes all your items. He doesn't steal some of mine, I guess. Oh,
Yeah, he steals items.
nerd.
He's just a
And,
little angry.
Oh, he doesn't have items anymore, anyways.
Yay, I killed him.
Go quick, evade the planet.
I'm trying.
Wait, shit, I'm not gonna get the achievement. Fuck.
I think you will.
That's a nice cat.
I don't know why I
It
thought
is a
somebody
nice
just
cat.
played
I
a
love that cat.
soundboard. That's a nice cat.
Superliminal. Fuck.
Ram.
Yeah, that finished downloading.
Hey, there we go.
Fucking uninstall. I just ping John Arbuckle with this.
We brought John Arbuckle.
Oh my god, who could have pinged me, John Arbuckle, in chat?
Or
Alright. Did you guys get
Okay,
captain?
so on to Borderland 2.
Yeah, I got a captain guy, I think.
No, I don't think I got captain.
Yeah, I got him.
Yeah, we
Everyone go captain.
we didn't get captain.
Okay.
You gotta go and rate Bandit now.
Bandit?
Yeah, you gotta rate Bandit.
Bandit's between Railgunner and Bandit, I think Bandit is is probably my new go-to. I very much enjoyed playing Bandit.
It has
I'm trying to
120.
determine if I'm gonna try Commando or Captain next, but I'll be playing one of those two next time we play Risk
Yeah.
for our next video.